Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone's rear underseat VIAIR compressor mount for Jeep's 2019 to current JT Gladiator. Step 1. Lift up your driver's side back seat. Remove any items lying in your work area. With a T40 Torx bit and a ratchet, remove the 2 bolts located under your seat. You can put the 2 factory bolts in the bolt compartment located under your seat to store, as we will not be reusing them. Step 2. Hold your compressor sideways against the back of your mount. Our mount is designed to where your compressor can either face the left or the right depending on your preference. We included 2 adhesive blocks to fit between your compressor and the mount. This is to help reduce any vibrations or noise that can be made while on the road. The shorter rubber support will sit under the ridge located next to your compressor's piston assembly, and the taller rubber support will sit on the opposite side. Line up your compressor mount with the compressor mount holes. With a piece of chalk, mark the location where the ridges sit on your bracket. With your marks drawn, peel off the backing of your rubber support. Line up the outer end of your short rubber support with the marks you made, making sure to center it between the back and front of your bracket. Repeat on the opposite side with the taller rubber support, but place it an inch away from the front of your bracket. Step 3. Insert the included 4 M5 screws into the back on the bracket facing inwards. Take your bracket and line it up with the 2 factory holes located under your seat. With a 10mm socket or wrench, install the 2 included long M6 screws. Make sure not to tighten the screws too much, as it may damage your plastic panel. Step 4. Slide your VIAIR air compressor over the screws on the side of your bracket. With your VIAIR compressor mounted into place, use an 8mm or 5/16 wrench to install the included M5 washers and nuts retaining your compressor mount. You will need 2 wrenches for this step. Make sure to double check your rubber supports to make sure they stayed in place. Finally, run the wiring and air hose toward the back of your seat under the carpet. You can run these to various locations from here. Then you're done.